Punta Cana, one of the most popular tourist destinations in the Caribbean and located on the eastern tip of the Dominican Republic. We only had 2 nights here because we were on a stopover. We had just spent a few weeks in Boca Chica, and then we took a 𝐽𝑚 over to Punta Cana. A 𝐽𝑚 is basically a shared taxi, and it costed me 800 pesos, which is $14 US, and we got to our Airbnb in Punta Cana in 2.5 hours. The first thing we did on the morning of our first and only full day was a photo shoot. After my first shoot with 𝐿ian in Brazil and the multiple shoots I did during my pregnancy, I've made it a goal of mine to do a professional photo shoot in every country you visit. That way we can have beautiful memories of each place and also capture 𝐿ian in his different stages. I wish I had done this earlier, to be honest. I don't have any professional photos of 𝐿ian during his first 6 months of life. But that's okay. Nonetheless, we still have photos and we can cherish these new ones that we're making and the new memories that we're creating in every single new place that we go to. Here are the beautiful photos that we got from this shoot. If this is your first time watching me, hi, my name is Precha. I'm a single mom and digital nomad, and I've been traveling with my son since he was a mere 5 weeks old. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more content like this. Guys, this is the pool area. Namaste Beach. Look at this beautiful girl here. It's a bit of a small pool, but it's still hanging out in it. Our photo shoot was amazing. Did you enjoy the photo shoot? Yeah, he just had a nice nap. I'm about to pay the fee, so it's very common in Punta Cana to have to pay separate fees for electricity and whatnot. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna head over to this vegan restaurant that's only 5 minutes away. Okay, we are now on foot. Paid off our fee. We had to pay a little bit of a fee to pay with credit card, but it's okay. And we are headed to the restaurant. The vibes here in Punta Cana are completely different than Boca Chica, where we just were. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. And it's so much more like resort-like here. There's so many more tourists. It's definitely, oh no, this is the tourist street. These are my stroller. It's definitely cleaner on the streets. What's wrong, baby? We're about to go eat, honey. We're about to go eat. Yes. Let's get back on the sidewalk here. Okay. Whew. As you can see, it's not always smooth sailing traveling with a baby. When we were finishing up the photo shoot, at the very end, he just started getting so fussy because it was his nap time. And I literally didn't even give him a shower when we got back to the place. I just put him straight into the bed with sand and everything, so I'm gonna have to clean the bed off before we go to bed tonight. But he went to bed so fast, he was so tired. I think the sun also probably tired him out a little bit. And also, I hope that this place has traditional Dominican dishes, because in this full 2 weeks in the Dominican Republic, I've not tried any Dominican food yet. I didn't end up actually going into Santo Domingo, the capital. So I'll have to come back to the Dominican Republic in the future to check it out there. But that's where most of the vegan restaurants were, on that side of the island. In Boca Chica, there wasn't really any. And I was on a little bit of a tighter budget too, so I mainly cooked at home, and I did not have the opportunity to go check out local Dominican restaurants and see what kind of vegan stuff they had. The only time, I mean, I guess I did eat out a little bit. Like, I went to this pizza restaurant that was downstairs like 3 times and I had pizza. Pizza's just always such a go-to as a vegan. Literally just get a veggie pizza with no cheese. But I really hope that I can finally have the opportunity to try something Dominican. And I think we're arriving here. This is a little mini market right there. I think she might be hungry. What's up, boo? What's up, boo boo? We're almost there. I think this is it right in front of us. It might not be. Here. Okay. So of 10, you look super dark. This guy never once burned, and I have burned in some places we're at. He's got much better skin than I do. Hola. ¿Todo es vegano aquí o solo hay opciones veganas?
Sí, tengo opciones. Bueno, ¿te traigo menú?
No, hablo los dos. Sí, está bien, gracias.
¿Algo de tomar?
¿Tienen jugos naturales?
Sí, tengo de limón, tamarindo y piña.
Tamarindo, por favor. Gracias. Ay, ay, ay. Leon's throwing everything off the table here. Let's not throw the things off the table. Ay, ay, ay. We're gonna put it on the table. Here's the menu. Well, it's not the full menu, so this place isn't fully vegan. They have vegan options. Hi, baby. Come here, come here. Estamos muy cerca de la playa. Creo que es solo un bloque de aquí. Parece que sí. Entonces, después de eso, regresamos a la casa, cambiamos nuestra ropa y vamos a disfrutar la playa. ¿Verdad, papi? ¿Quieres ver la playa? Sí. No tenemos mucho tiempo aquí. Solo tenemos 2 noches. Anoche y esta noche. Mañana vamos a nuestro nuevo lugar. Vamos a otra parte del mundo. Lo voy a guardar como un secreto. Te voy a decir al final del video. ¿Ya estás lista? Miras la bandera dominicana. Vegana.
Okay.
Gracias. Toma. ¿No quieres?
No.
Está bien. Ahora métele en la boca. Métele en la boca. Okay. Okay. You ready to eat, baby? You ready to eat? Okay, guys, this is time to try the food. First, let me give try some of this rice and beans. Delicious. Cucumber. Okay, let's try these vegetables. They're very saucy looking. Really good sauce. ¿Quieres arroz? Sí.
Bebe agua.
¿Quieres agua?
Yum, yum, yum.
Wow, you're eating a lot.
You hungry, boy?
Yeah. Yeah. You hold it in your hand. Eso. Eso. Good job. You're learning how to film. It's a good skill. Yes, it's a good skill. Alright guys, so 𝐿ian just woke up from his second nap and he took a really long nap, longer than I expected. He was really tired because yesterday he only had one short nap. We had to check out of our Airbnb early and then we went to the beach and then we took a bus ride here to Punta Cana, which was 2 hours. But he didn't sleep at all during that bus ride. They were playing really loud music. So we're probably not going to go to the beach tonight. We're going to head there tomorrow morning before we have to leave. And right now I'm going to head to the pharmacy here and find some diapers. And then we're going to go to the supermarket to get some ingredients. Honestly, Punta Cana is basically a resort spot for foreigners. There's a big culture of staying in all-inclusives. If you want to experience the real Dominican culture, I'd recommend you to explore other parts of the island. Hey guys, so that pharmacy was straight taxing on the diapers, so we're gonna go to another place. I believe the supermarket is just around the corner where I am right now. These reviews had me a bit unsure about going to this place, but it was one of the only good grocery stores in Punta Cana. If I had known this, I would have brought groceries from Boca Chica. And success, we found diapers that were not absolutely taxing. These were actually a decent price. I don't remember the exact price, sorry. But they also had swimming diapers here too. So if you guys are looking to bring your baby to Punta Cana, just know they have those. Here's dinner. We got a baby chilling here with his pillow border. What do you have to say for yourself, honey? What do you have to say for yourself, sir? Oh. Anything else? And what do you want to tell the world? What does the world need to know about 𝐿ian, huh? Hey, I'm talking to you, buddy. 𝐿ian, I'm talking to you. Alright, guess he's done talking. Alright guys, so we did not make it to the beach this morning. 𝐿ian took a long, well, he slept in long and then he took a nap this morning. I'm just eating some ice cream quickly before we head to the airport. And we are off to Philadelphia. Gracias para ver este video. Si te gusta el video, dale un like. No olvides de suscribir. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Lian, ven. Ven aquí. Hola, bebé.